In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Express Checkout in your e-commerce control panel and verify that it works correctly. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your site's main e-commerce control dashboard. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're in the primary admin area where store settings and checkout configurations are managed. This is important because Express Checkout settings are usually located within the backend commerce controls rather than in the general website design area. From there, navigate into the Commerce section. Inside Commerce, look for the Checkout Options area. Depending on how your dashboard is organized, this may appear within a category setup panel, a configuration directory, or a list-based settings page. Move carefully through the available sections until you reach the checkout-related rows or option listings. The goal here is to find the part of the system that controls how customers move through the purchase process. Once you're in the correct location, look for the Express Checkout setting. It may appear as a tool option, a selectable row, or a labeled field box within the checkout configuration list. Read the label closely to make sure you're selecting the correct feature. Express Checkout generally refers to a faster path for customers, allowing them to move more directly toward payment without going through the usual basket or cart review flow. When you've found the right option, toggle its activation settings so that it is enabled. This may appear as a checkbox, a switch, or a value selector. If it's currently off, disabled, or unchecked, change it to enabled. Be sure the updated setting is visibly applied before moving on. If your dashboard includes any save or apply behavior automatically, watch for confirmation that the change has taken effect. After enabling the feature, the final step is to verify how the checkout page behaves. Test the purchase flow by going through a sample buying process on the storefront. Pay close attention to whether the experience now skips the traditional basket page and sends the customer more directly into checkout. Run through the process more than once if needed so you can confirm the behavior is consistent. As you test, focus on the customer journey from product selection to payment steps. The main thing you're checking is that Express Checkout is active and functioning as expected. Once that's confirmed, your faster checkout experience should be ready to use.